Executive Member Badaipe yang tan khayi ka khasil Autonomous District Council ki HDC uba rangkan sai karbuki ula berten banle dak bating yo poliong unong khayi ubala khangla di kibor ka enforcement wing ka council ban khanra tading license ha ka building ka chong u men ha ka arpo trik yong arja arulai haba kren sigilat thai kubor hadien ka jingwan jurep ka council ringkat kibor ka himam liam hadien ka jing ujor kinong rep halo ka mat jingot kilo ya ki marep ha ka yode lang ha yodo uba ringsai wong baka council kan ai da ka show cause notice show poliong ulong baka jingkan ra tading license ka council ka yang khamtam hadien ka hukum yang ka sheri house nam arja kat saw
kum bakalong hadin bengilawan ban check ya ki training license ki niki sngi ki baladem dila don way niki try jongoi ke dukan ke bakerteng ke marbanyang Nichols Roy building bat na kali jong i ilawan a ya court order spok office ke jong i bat hadin bangila baik ya ke court order ngiyo i baka ongkum the petitioner is at liberty to rent out the said 9 shop after complying with the requirement under the Khasi Hill District Trading by Non-Tribal Regulation 1954 to the non-tribal businessman. Gambar kebapan i bagi to kinong siong hapo ka building ki jong u kin hap hiban le ya ka trading license. Dia nak liang jong ka office ngin sa syoko seki batla de kim respond ngin sa issue wadaka closure notice.
Kamut kani ka order ka stand.
Yes. Gambar kat kung gani ka order ka stand yang ngi ka district council bau no tribal ubale ya ka khai pateng apo ukut usam jong ka hasil district pun hap ya ka ban opti ya ka